Now, let's move ahead and we will try to prove our third and last trigonometric identity, that is cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So, moving on, these are the ratios that we are going to use in the proof, and again we will start marking this Pythagoras theorem as equation number 1. Now, for this time, we will be dividing both left hand side and right hand side of the equation number 1 by p square. So let's move ahead. So dividing equation number 1 both the sides with p square, we have h square upon p square equals to p square upon p square plus b square upon p square. Now this will become as equal to 1, and we have h upon p whole square equals to 1 plus b upon p whole square. Now, observe closely these ratios. If we go back, so the ratio of hypotenuse to perpendicular is termed as cosec theta, and the ratio of base to perpendicular is termed as cot theta. So, substituting the values, we have cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. And this is how we prove our third trigonometric identity.